Plastic bottles are everywhere. They have become a ubiquitous part of our daily lives, found in every corner of the world. From bustling cities to remote beaches, these bottles are a constant presence. We use them for convenience. They are easy to carry, readily available, and often seen as a necessity for our on-the-go lifestyles. Whether at a concert, a sporting event, or just running errands, plastic bottles are always within reach. We drink water on the go. Staying hydrated is important, and bottled water offers a quick and easy solution. Athletes, office workers, and travelers alike rely on these bottles to quench their thirst. But these bottles have a big downside. Once used, they often end up in places they shouldn't be, contributing to a growing environmental crisis. Overflowing trash cans, polluted rivers, and beaches littered with plastic are all too common sights. They create a lot of waste. Each year, millions of tons of plastic waste are generated, much of which is not recycled. This waste accumulates in landfills, clogs waterways, and disrupts natural habitats. Plastic piles up in landfills. It pollutes our oceans. Marine life is particularly vulnerable, with countless animals becoming entangled in plastic waste or mistaking it for food. This plastic lasts for hundreds of years. Unlike organic materials, plastic does not decompose quickly. It breaks down into smaller pieces known as microplastics, which persist in the environment for centuries. It harms wildlife and our planet. Animals ingest plastic or become trapped in it, leading to injury or death. The presence of plastic in natural habitats disrupts ecosystems and poses a threat to biodiversity. We need to find a better solution. Scientists and innovators are working tirelessly to develop alternatives to plastic. Communities are coming together to clean up their local environments and promote sustainable practices. We need to reduce our plastic use. Simple changes like using reusable water bottles and refilling them at water fountains can make a significant difference. Every small action contributes to a larger impact. Our planet depends on it. By reducing plastic waste, we can protect our natural environments and ensure that future generations can enjoy clean, beautiful landscapes. Our future depends on it. Together, we can create a sustainable future by making conscious choices and advocating for change. Let's work towards a world where plastic waste is a thing of the past. Imagine a water bottle that completely disappears after use. This is the promise of dissolvable water bottles. These bottles are made from special innovative materials. These materials break down naturally and safely. They leave no harmful waste behind at all. This new technology offers hope for a cleaner future. This is a revolutionary way to address plastic pollution. It's a simple yet powerful solution for our planet. Drink your water and the bottle disappears completely. Dissolvable water bottles are made from bioplastics. These are not like traditional plastics at all. Bioplastics come from renewable resources. Think of cornstarch or plant fibers. These materials are designed to decompose naturally. They break down into harmless substances. They become part of the natural cycle again. This is in stark contrast to traditional plastics. Those plastics are made from petroleum. They persist in the environment for centuries. Section 4. From bottle to basic, the magic of decomposition. In this section, we will explore the fascinating journey of how everyday plastic bottles can transform back into basic elements through the natural process of decomposition. How do these bottles disappear? What happens to them once they are discarded? The answer lies in the incredible power of nature. It's all thanks to tiny helpers, microorganisms. These microscopic organisms play a crucial role in breaking down complex materials. These microbes are everywhere in the environment. They thrive in soil, water, and even in the air we breathe. They feed on the bioplastics in the bottles. Bioplastics are designed to be more easily consumed by these microorganisms compared to traditional plastics. This process breaks down the bottles into simple compounds. Over time, the complex structure of the bottle is reduced to its basic elements. Water, carbon dioxide, and other gases are released during this process, and organic matter are left behind. This organic matter enriches the soil, making it more fertile. It's like composting, but for bottles. Just as food scraps turn into compost, these bottles transform into valuable nutrients for the earth. The process is safe and natural. It mimics the way nature has been recycling organic matter for millions of years. It leaves no harmful microplastics behind. This ensures that our environment remains clean and free from pollution. Section 5. A clear winner, dissolvable versus traditional bottles. The difference is clear. Traditional plastic bottles have been around for decades, but their impact on the environment is devastating. They take hundreds of years to decompose, and in the meantime they pollute our land and oceans. Traditional plastic bottles are a threat. They are found littering our streets, filling up landfills and floating in our oceans, harming marine life. Dissolvable bottles are a solution. Made from eco-friendly materials, they offer a sustainable alternative to traditional plastic. They decompose quickly and safely. Unlike plastic, which can take centuries to break down, dissolvable bottles return to nature in a matter of weeks. They don't pollute our land or water. Imagine beaches and rivers free from plastic waste, a reality we can achieve with dissolvable bottles. They reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. By choosing dissolvable bottles, we support the use of renewable resources and decrease our carbon footprint. Switching to dissolvable bottles is a no-brainer. It's an easy and effective way to contribute to a healthier planet. It's a simple change that can make a huge difference. Whether at home, work, or on the go, dissolvable bottles fit seamlessly into our daily lives. Let's choose to protect our planet. Let's choose dissolvable bottles. Together we can make a significant impact and ensure a cleaner, greener future for generations to come.